Hey everyone! So I'm going to try something different. We've never done a puddle pour. I haven't done one in a long time, probably since the beginning. So I have a lot of colors here I want to try. This is a red frost, this is a peacock pearl, and this is an oyster pearl. These three are all metallic. And I have the turquoise and a crimson red and maybe a little bit of black. So yeah, let's try that. I don't know how much black I have. Not much. So we're going to use that as our first puddle. I always watch Melly D. I love watching her pour paint. She's so good at puddle pours. Okay, so let's put some oyster pearl on top of a couple of these. And we'll do red frost on another two. I didn't want to drip. It's hard to not drip unless you're using bottles. And my paints have silicone in them, so we're going to get cells. Possibly. I want to make sure that one doesn't go over the edge. It's going. I was level. Must be the way I'm pouring the paint. See if I have any black left. Not much. Drip. If I get one more over here. I don't want the black to take over anyway. No rhyme or reason, I just poured. Okay, I'm sure we have enough down there. pretty sure, I think I'll put a little bit of blue on this too. So we're not all red. And I'm going to pass my finger through. I'm probably going to get some purple too. All right. Oh, you really lost the black. But we've got some cells. Boy, she's bright. So let me get my edges. Boy, the runoff is even pretty. It's not bad for my first try in over a year. Well, a year. She was one of the first people I watched, and I tried that the first time with metallics. It came out pretty. I actually have one of those paintings left. Let's torch it. Turquoise and red. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. I like it. I love what's coming through, and it's still changing. I'm sitting here watching little ones come popping up. So that's going to be neat when it dries. I'll make sure I show this one on another video when it's dry. See if I can give you a peek. Look at that corner. Darn lights. I'm going to work on this lighting situation tomorrow if I have time. So yeah, I'll move it back here. I like it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click subscribe below and click on the little bell next to that button, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. And if you have a question, a quick question, you can leave it here in the comment section, or you can reach me at Christina Welch Art on Facebook, and I'm sure I can help you there. If I can't, I'll send you to someone who can. How's that sound? So I would like to thank you for hanging in there with me, revisiting the puddle pour. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye now.